Hi guys, some tips from me to help you remove the starter motor of your xsara. The starter motor of this car is placed under the air filter box. So to remove the air filter box, first release the three fasteners pointed with the red arrows. Then release the one end of the hose pointed with a yellow arrow. If this hose is stuck at both ends and you decide to remove the thinner hose at the left, as I did here, keep in mind that the left side of the T connector is thin and it's easy to break. Now remove the two bolts pointed with the green arrows. The top one of the two bolts is visible at the next picture. Now remove the whole air filter box and now you can see the starter. You have to remove 3 bolts. The second one is hidden under the hoses. Now to disconnect the starter's cables, you have to pull it backwards and then tilt it. When removing the starter, take care not to injure a wire connector under there, pointed with a yellow arrow. Now disconnect the solenoid cables and finally the starter is out. Thanks for watching.